Today I'm going to show you how to do a transformer or machine for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel that's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a transformer or a machine, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your cartwheel tutorial down. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So when you start this move, you're going to start in a frontside stance, looking at the ground. You're going to reach down and put your hand on the ground, kicking your cheat leg up. Put your other hand on the ground and kick your other leg up. Switch legs and finish landing in a backside stance. You can kind of think of this move as like a front scoop, but starting from a standing position and also kicking your back leg up instead of bringing it through. Don't forget you can also do this move with a spin takeoff. You can also land and do a follow through at the end, or you can do a spin and follow through together. And I recommend you get used to all these because we are going to be doing them in combinations later on. For progression, I recommend that you have your front scoop down. You can click right there for a front scoop tutorial. Make sure when you're doing this move that you're trying your best to kick your legs over your head as much as possible. Try to focus on pushing through your shoulders and keeping your arms nice and firm instead of bending your elbows. And also try your best to keep your legs straight and point your toes. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. And if you'd like to become a patron, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into a pop cartwheel. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.